Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the bike light. This is from Rockbros, and it's quite nice and intelligent. It has four modes. It has brake induction. You can see the power display, so it will show four little LEDs in there. If I press on this, as you can see, those four LEDs. I don't know if you can see them here. Rainproof design, it's easy to install, has a durable battery, 400 milliamp, bright lamp beds, aluminium shell, so this whole thing is made of aluminium. It's using USB-C to charge, and I'll show you in just a bit how easy it is to remove it, and it has vibration sensing. And if that's not all, it's also IP65 waterproof. So I'll quickly show you the modes. So the smart light sense and shock start and stop. There's also brake light. So if I press once, you can see these four LEDs, and then the light is flashing. So now I think it's in the smart mode, because when it's standing it's flashing, and if I start cycling a bit, it's gonna stop, and then it's gonna just increase the red light around that circle when you brake. So yeah, I just move the bike a bit, and when you brake, let me see if I can show you. So let's say you move it and then you brake, that light becomes on like that, and then it's no longer flashing. And I'm still trying to learn how it actually operates, but I've noticed the flash stopped. And then if I press one more time, now it's gonna breathe like that. And depends on the environment, you know. So if it's like lighter outside, it's not gonna be as bright. I think if it's darker, it's gonna be more brighter, I think. Not really sure. So if you press again, then it's SOS, and then it's bright and stable. I'm still learning how to change the other modes, but it looks like it says it works in harmony with vibration induction. So if it vibrates, then you can probably see it. And if you press one more time, it just stops. I'm gonna do another review as soon as I learn more about it. But if you rotate it from here, that's how you take it out, and then you can charge it. So there you have it, USB-C for charging. Yeah. So now let's see if it does anything if you double press. That's off. If you do this, I've noticed if you brake, then you have to be in motion and then suddenly brake. It's a bit hard to do it. Yeah, still figure it out, but yeah, it's a lovely light and it's quite bright. That's it, guys. I'll see how it works, and I'll give you more updates. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.